Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I'm here to give you a review of basically a parachute hammock. This is by Geezo. So this is what it looks like. You get little instructions on here attached. Open this up and you are going to get two of the loops, which we will use here shortly. And then the hammock itself. So this is kind of what it looks like here. So let's go ahead and get this thing going and set up. From getting lots of loops in the cable. So then you pull it tight, go ahead and make sure you get the same thing over here. You want to, once again, make sure it's nice and tight, have it 5 to 6 feet up off the ground. Be sure to check the cables and everything, make sure they're nice and sturdy. Okay, so basically you want to make sure, after some fine tuning here, you want to make sure this is 5 to 6 feet tall. Make sure it's also nice and secure, and you want to make sure there's all the little kinks and worked out. Before setting it up, make sure you check out the cable, make sure it's nice and sturdy, and then you got your little clips here which are fully adjustable. So that's basically it. Then you just kind of sit in here and you are good to go. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.